Welcome to the channel. Are you new to strength training and feeling a bit overwhelmed? Don't worry, we've all been there. That is why we are put together the ultimate beginner's guide to help you get started on your strength journey. Let's dive in. Number 1. Start with bodyweight basics. When you're just starting out, bodyweight exercises like push-ups, squats, and planks are perfect. They build a foundation of strength without needing equipment. Focus on learning correct form first, quality over quantity. Once you feel comfortable with bodyweight, then you can gradually introduce weights. Number 2. The importance of proper form. Form is everything in strength training. Lifting heavy but with bad technique leads to injuries, while lighter weights with good form maximize results. Use mirrors, record yourself, or get guidance from a trainer. Remember, perfect form builds strength faster than ego lifting ever will. Number 3. Start light. Progress gradually. Beginners often think heavy weights equal faster gains, but that's a mistake. Always start with lighter weights to master movement patterns. As your body adapts, slowly increase resistance. This approach not only prevents injury but also ensures steady, sustainable progress you'll actually stick to long term. Number 4. Focus on compound movements. Compound exercises like squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and pull-ups target multiple muscle groups at once. For beginners, this means more strength and calorie burn in less time. You'll build a strong foundation and functional strength that carries over to everyday activities outside the gym. Number 5. Don't skip warm-ups. A 5 to 10 minute warm-up primes your muscles and joints for lifting. Simple movements like dynamic stretches, light cardio, or bodyweight squats increase blood flow and flexibility. Warming up reduces injury risk and improves performance, making every rep safer and more effective. Number 6. Learn to breathe correctly. Breathing is often overlooked in strength training. Exhale as you lift, inhale as you lower. This pattern stabilizes your core, protects your spine, and helps you lift with more power. Mastering your breath can make even challenging lifts feel more controlled and efficient. Number 7. Train all muscle groups. Don't just focus on chest and arms. A balanced program works your legs, back, shoulders, and core too. Strength training is about total body fitness. Training evenly avoids muscle imbalances, reduces injury risks, and creates a more athletic, well-rounded physique. Number 8. Rest between sets. Rest is as important as the lift itself. Beginners should take 60 to 90 seconds between sets to recover. This allows your muscles to recharge so you can perform the next set with full strength. Skipping rest makes workouts less effective and increases fatigue. We've made it halfway through our list, and we sincerely hope you've enjoyed it so far. Please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button if you want to see more content like this. Let's move forward with the video. Number 9. Progressive overload is key. Strength comes from challenging your muscles to do a little more over time. This principle is called progressive overload. Increase weight, reps or sets gradually each week. Even small progress adds up and prevents your body from hitting a plateau. Number 10. Prioritize recovery. Muscles grow when you rest, not during the workout. Make sure you're getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night and giving each muscle group 48 hours before training it again. Recovery prevents burnout and speeds up your strength gains. Number 11. Fuel your body properly. Strength training requires proper nutrition. Eat enough protein to support muscle repair. Lean meats, fish, eggs, beans, or protein shakes work great. Pair this with complex carbs and healthy fats to fuel your workouts. Remember, lifting without proper nutrition limits your results. Number 12. Hydration for performance. Dehydration reduces strength, focus, and endurance. Keep a water bottle with you and sip throughout your workout. Aim for at least 2 to 3 liters per day, more if you're sweating heavily. Staying hydrated keeps your muscles performing at their peak. Number 13. Track your progress. Keep a workout log of weights, reps, and sets. Tracking progress motivates you and ensures you're improving. It also helps you identify weak points and make adjustments. Even small improvements on paper feel rewarding and keep you consistent. Number 14. Listen to your body. Soreness after lifting is normal, but sharp pain isn't. If something feels wrong, stop immediately. Ignoring pain often leads to injuries that can sideline you for weeks. Training smart means respecting your body's signals and making adjustments when needed. Number 15. Don't neglect core training. A strong core isn't just about abs, it supports every lift you do. Planks, dead bugs, and weighted carries strengthen your midsection and improve stability. With a solid core, your lifts become safer and more powerful. Number 16. Consistency over perfection. You don't need the perfect plan to see results, you need consistency. Aim for at least 2 to 3 strength sessions per week and stick with it. Over time, those small efforts compound into major strength and physique changes. Number 17. Stretch and cool down. Post-workout stretching helps reduce muscle tightness and improves flexibility. Hold static stretches for 20 to 30 seconds after lifting. Cooling down also lowers your heart rate gradually, leaving you feeling more relaxed and less stiff the next day. Number 18. Avoid comparison. In the gym, it's easy to compare yourself to others lifting heavier or looking fitter. But remember, everyone started somewhere. Focus on your own progress, not what the person next to you is doing. Your journey is unique, and slow progress is still progress. Number 19. Use machines wisely. Machines are great for beginners because they guide your movement and reduce injury risk, but don't rely on them exclusively. Mix in free weights when ready, as they improve balance and engage stabilizing muscles for more functional strength. Number 20. Make it enjoyable. Strength training doesn't have to be boring. Try different workouts, listen to music, or train with a friend. The more fun you make it, the more likely you'll stick to it. Remember, the best workout is the one you enjoy and can maintain. Thanks for watching. If you found these beginner strength training tips helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more health and fitness content every week. Drop a comment below with your biggest strength training question. See you in the next one. In the link below, you will find a supplement for your muscles.